Multiplying with decimals. Multiplying decimals. When multiplying decimals, you want to set up your problem as if you do not have any decimals. So 2.5 times 6 you set up as 25 times 6. Now the decimal is still there, we're just going to ignore it until the end. So multiply as usual, 6 times 5 is 30, carry your 3, 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Now you want to count how many decimals are in your problem. So you have one decimal in your problem, it's the numbers behind the decimals, so you need to have one decimal in your answer. So your answer here is 15, and that makes sense because 6 times 2 is 12, so we know 2.5 times 6 has to be more than 12. For 4.5 times 1.5, again, you want to set it up as if you do not have any decimals. Now again, they're still there, we're just going to ignore them. 5 times 5 is 25, carry your 2, 20 plus 2, 22, drop your 0, 5 and a 4. Now again, we're just ignoring our decimals, adding down 2 decimals in our question, so we should have 2 decimals in our answer. So when do you use multiplying decimals in real life? How about when you go to the yogurt store and you fill up your yogurt cup with yogurt and candies or gummies, and then you go and you put it on the scale. For instance, this one is 9.6 ounces times 35 cents per ounce. So let's see how much our yogurt would cost. We bought 9.6 ounces of yogurt at 35 cents per ounce. Remember, 35 cents per ounce would be written like this as money. We're going to multiply those together. You could try this, put it on pause, and then check your answer. When you set up your equation, you want to multiply as if you're multiplying 96 times 35. The decimals are there. We're just going to ignore them for a few minutes. So 5 times 6 is 30, carry your 3, 45, 48, drop your 0, 18, carry your 1, 27, 28. Now remember, you can add down just as usual. We're ignoring our decimals. Now when you're finished multiplying, you count the decimal places in your question. 1, 2, 3. Can you see there's 3 numbers behind your decimals? And that's how many you put in your answer. 1, 2, 3. Now this doesn't look like money, so think it through. $3 and 36 cents. Now if you have a number in your thousandths place, you may have to round to your hundredths place, to your pennies, but in this case we don't have to. So our yogurt, before we pay any tax, is $3 and 36 cents.